How to add a contact or person to group in WhatsApp. Let's get started. Launch your WhatsApp. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head towards the group in which you want to add a contact or person. Open it. After you open the group, now at the top you will see the group name. Click on it. Different options will appear. Scroll down. You will find this section of members. Under that you will find the option of add members. Click on it. For that, your contact list will appear. Now you can select the contact or person that you want to add in the group. Just check in for that contact or person in this way. Click on add again. And just with that, this person will be added to the group. But make sure you are admin of the group. If you're not the admin of the group, you won't be able to add a person or contact to the group. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily add a contact or person to group in WhatsApp. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.